Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to Realme C31. Start by opening Play Store on both of them and type in and send anywhere in the search bar. Now download this free app from this developer and open it on both smartphones. Now open it, and over here click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then you need to select send on this Realme smartphone and receive on Realme C31. Now you need to click on all of those dots and select send. This way you can select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one file, like this song, or maybe that one. Choose send and click on got it. Over here on Realme C31, choose no thanks and tap on close this window. Then if you wish to connect your devices by scanning QR code, you need to tap on this scanning icon on Realme C, choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. But if you wish to, you can also just input this key here and connect your smartphones by choosing receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my song was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!